Welcome to MTV Somali Channels nightly news bulletin. If you're new to us, please don't forget to subscribe in order not to miss out on our nightly news round in Somalia. In today's headline, Somalia's army kills 6 militants in southern region. PM Roble outlines 5 points for Mogadishu conference. Civil society in Somalia urges political leaders to understand their responsibilities. Federal state presidents arrive in Mogadishu. We start with, at least 6 al-Shabaab militants were killed on Thursday in an operation in the southern region of Lower Shabelle, a military officer confirmed. Nuruddin Moalim Hussein, a senior commander of the Somali National Army, told the journalists that the army launched an attack on a base run by al-Shabaab in Janale. There was stiff resistance from al-Shabaab fighters, but we overpowered them, killing 6 of them, Hussein said, noting that the area is under full control of the Somali forces. The latest incident comes amid sustained operations by the Somali army in southern regions where the militants are still in control of the rural areas, conducting ambushes and planting landmines. Incumbent Prime Minister Mohamed Hussein Roble expressed optimism about the outcome of a conference scheduled to open in Mogadishu, which seeks to resolve Somalia's long-standing electoral disputes. Prime Minister Roble issued a statement containing a request, a thanks and full commitment, the statement read. 1. We are preparing for the National Consultative Assembly meeting to finalize the electoral process. 2. I hope that it will be open to us and that it will be a success, so that the country can go to a transparent and agreed election. 3. I am committed to facilitating everything that can lead to the success of this conference. 4. I thank the politicians and the people of Somalia for their support in our efforts and I ask them for their continued support. 5. I pray to God to make this task easier for us. The statement from Roble's office, which is in charge of talks with the federal government to find a solution to the country's election dispute, comes on May 20, when he announced on the day of the opening of the forum, but most state leaders only arriving to Mogadishu this afternoon. Although not confirmed, the meeting is expected to now begin on Saturday. PM Roble appointed a committee led by Security Minister Hassan Hundubi to receive state leaders. Civil society in Somalia have called for all Somalis to take part in ensuring that the election forum in Mogadishu takes place smoothly with a final united outcome. Civil society have urged for politicians to understand that the stakes are high for the country and for politicians to take the responsibility that is bestowed upon them. We hope politicians understand that the whole country will be watching the forum and the public are hoping that politicians understand their responsibilities, said Osman Moalim, chairperson of Somali non-state actors. Civil society has played a crucial role in Somalia since the outbreak of the civil war and has been instrumental in providing services that were unable to be met in Somalia with the collapse of the government. Federal state presidents of Jubaland and Southwest State have today reached Mogadishu for the upcoming forum on elections scheduled to begin on Saturday. Jubaland State President Ahmed Mohamed Madobi and Southwest State President Abdiatsiz Lafta Garen both arrived in the capital Mogadishu, to attend the National Electoral Consultative Council. The leaders of Galmudug, Jubaland and Southwest have so far all arrived in Mogadishu this afternoon, with Puntland State President and Hirshabelles are both expected to arrive Mogadishu tomorrow. Prime Minister Mohamed Hussein Roble recently called for a National Consultative Forum meeting to find an outcome on the election issues that have hampered the country's economy and security. The conference, which was scheduled to open on today, has been postponed pending the arrival of all regional leaders in Mogadishu. That's it for our nightly news roundup bulletin in Somalia. Do not forget to subscribe in order to not miss out more bulletins from MTV Somali Channel.